up guys, Mitch from Shock Therapy, and today we're going to be showing you how to install the newly designed front link kit for the Polaris General XP1000. This link kit's going to do a couple of things for you. Not only do they look good, they also add stability to the feel of the front of the car itself. They are also adjustable in the sense that if your rod ends ever fail or loosen up, you can actually untwist them from the link body and replace them as needed. Another cool thing about the Shock Therapy front link kit is that we do use 5/8 rod ends, which means the service life is going to outlast the majority of the 1/2-inch rod ends that are out on the market today. This installation is fairly simple. Should take you no longer than an hour or two, so let's jump on in. We're going to show you guys how to install.
Your first step in the installation is to remove the factory hardware holding the link to the sway bar. Starting with the lower hardware first, remove the nut followed by the bolt. This is done by using an 18mm wrench and an 18mm socket. Next, remove the upper hardware holding the link to the factory arm. Once the factory hardware is removed, you can now remove the link and repeat these steps on the opposite side. So when you guys are setting up the link, you want to make sure that you have 2 threads showing on each rod end. When you go to measure that center of hole to center of hole, it's going to measure out to 6 1/4 inches. Once you have that set, you actually want to turn one of the rod ends 90 degrees for the correct orientation to be placed onto the vehicle. Just so you guys know, when you are grabbing the spacers, they are all identical and there is no specific orientation to the way that they go. Little pro tip for you guys, when you put the spacers into the link itself and you're beginning the installation on the upper arm mount, it is a little bit of a snug fit. We find it easiest to use a rubber mallet to help with the installation. Install the upper spacers first and begin to install the link onto the upper arm. Remember, this is a little bit of a snug fit, so we do recommend using a rubber mallet to help with the installation. Install the upper hardware through the arm mount and through the link, followed by the nut on the backside. Next, install the lower spacers and make sure that the sway bar link is on the outside of the sway bar. Install the factory bolt through the sway bar, through the link, ending with the nut on the backside. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. With both links installed, you can now tighten the hardware, starting with the lower, ending with the upper. Make sure you torque all the hardware to 88 foot-pounds and repeat these steps on the opposite side. With all of the hardware torqued, you can now tighten the jam nuts using a 15/16 wrench. Make sure to alternate between the upper and the lower jam nut when tightening to keep the rod ends as centered as possible. Repeat this step on the opposite side and your installation is complete.
We hope that this video helped you guys with the installation of your link kit at home. As always, we do recommend to check the jam nuts and make sure that they are still tight after the first 100 to 200 miles. If you like the link kit, be on the lookout to all of our social media platforms for new products that are going to be coming very, very soon for the General XP1000. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified anytime that we post a new video. If you guys have any questions or any technical support help, please feel free to give us a call at 623-217-4959. If you'd like to order this link kit, feel free to visit the website at shocktherapyusa.com. We hope that this video helped you with the installation of your link kit at home. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the bell to be notified anytime that we post a new video. God damn! You like that? I'll take my $5, sir. Like how I slid that in there too? Boom. I just watch them all and I'm like, man, I'm like a fucking broken record. Wow.
Are you chewing gum?
No.
Rough.
You a dog?
I said rough, not roof. Little pro tip for you guys.
God damn. Spicy.
You said look at that as much as possible. True that, homie. Ooh, hello. You true as glue. Does that sound okay though?
Mm-hmm.
No special orientation?
No special orientation.
Or is that racist?
No, orientation has nothing to do with race.